CRF250l. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I forgot to show that. That's new. I've got another piece coming, so that holds my phone better, because I am absolutely useless when it comes to directions. I have no sense in direction, and I'm not joking whatsoever. If I was a pigeon, I wouldn't last more than 2 minutes, if that. Right, so apart from having no sense of direction, what we have, let me just put some light on this. That's better. So I wasn't happy with the exhaust, not because I bought it from or anything like that. I think it's seen better. It's seen better days. Look, I think it's had a bit of a spot weld there, hasn't it? That looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah. So what I've done, I purchased a stainless steel one. So I'm not gonna fit it just yet. It's quite easy to do actually. 2 bolts. You take the cover off. Take the cover off first. 2 nuts. This I'll show you how to fit that. That's easier to fit first onto the exhaust before you fit it on the bike. Of course it is. And then right in here, I don't know if you can see that. Where are we? Down here. There. See him hidden away, tucked away down there? That nut there. You've got to get to that. So you probably get through down here, just unscrew the side panel. And just, yeah, I'm going to take the whole thing off. I think you can get to it like that. And then it joins there. So it's pretty straightforward fix. So let me just show you the stainless steel one. 2 seconds. Let's go. So there we go. It comes with this one welded onto it. So what you get with it is your gasket on the front. You get this clip. What you need to do is this Jubilee clip, take this Jubilee clip off, alright, and then put this on first to the guard. So take the guard off here, take this one off, so it's not fit at all. Fit this to the guard separately. And I used a nylon nut on the end of the original nut. Put it on, put this on, then screw this one to that. This lines up that perfectly. Then put the Jubilee clip over here, slide it through that hole, and then through there. Okay. Tighten it all up. And I think that's it, ready to go on. So I'll be doing that. You do get as well, bear with me, I can find it, here we go. And you do get some gasket glue. I thought of everything, fair play. 114 quid for the lot, okay, which it's not that bad considering, and it's stainless steel, so if you look after it, I'm sure that's a hole, you know, it looks like it's been welded. Oh look, it doesn't look very good there either. Oh, good choice. Probably got a few pinholes, that looks like a pinhole, yeah. Oh yeah, it's feeling weak. Good choice, there we go, and that's it, so we'll do that later. That comes all in one, you don't want to lose that. Okay, what am I using? 1532, that's an unusual size, that's probably why it was a bit funny fit, but anyway, it fits fine. And just, ooh, blimey, that's going to be tight. Oh, there we go, hence the WD. I don't know how to use that. That's just a bracket. Okay. Right, let's try the front, shall we? Have a look. Oh, that's quite easy. Right. See if we can find the other one. Oh, it's a bit awkward, that one. Oh. Got him. Okay, I'll undo these. Oh, here we go. I'm just going to gently ease him out. That's it. Okay. I've got to get, I think that's a ring in there to get that ring out. Gasket and fit the new one. Alright. And then use my fingers. There you go. Put them back in there. Right, I'm going to get that copper ring out. It's squashed nice and tight. There's also, this is where they put the compound in, so I'm going to get I've got a small tool, like a little sharp picker, and I'll go and get that out. This isn't the right one I wanted, actually. Well, I've got another one, but this, damn. Okay. What I'm using is a little flathead screwdriver. Try and film it, look, to prise it away. Oh. Hey, little bugger. But it's coming, so. Okay, so you got the idea, alright? And I'll keep doing this until it comes out. So let's put some gunk in there. There we go. It'll come. Just take your time. That looks like it's coming now. There we go. That's it, it's lifting. There, you see it? It's a bit tricky to get to, be honest with you. There. 2 seconds. Sure to get that with my finger now. There we go. Okay, I'll give that a bit of a clean up. Any gunk. That looks pretty clean, actually. I'll give that a bit of a clean, don't worry. Oh, that's alright. Okay, so I'll put some gasket glue on that and put the other one back in. Okay, that's the other end. That's the other end, so I'm going to put a bit of gasket glue on the exhaust itself and on the other bit, and then we'll put it back in. Bit of glue. It's good sticky stuff that'll hold it in. There you go. Okay. It's once you get it lined up, it goes straight in. All right. I can't focus that because it's about that camera angle. And that should line the front up. Make sure I have to take the tripod off the holder. Okay, so I'll pull that up now. Put the bolts on. I'll put a bit of gasket glue in on the inside as well. Okay, so when you tighten them, you want to do it equally because it's, you know, just tighten them up finger tight first, and then probably just do one full turn on each one, or a half a turn on each one, whatever you think. So you need to get it equal. All right, that's what you need to do. Okay, so I did half a turn on each, and hopefully that's, I'll have a look, and that should be level. Okay, tighten him up. There we go. Oh, now I get the keys and give it a test. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Doesn't that look nice? Bit of light. I'll be polishing that. Yeah, no blowing. Fantastic. Quite an easy job. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That would be great. A like and subscribe. Share if you wish. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Take care. And yeah, we'll check out the next video. All the best. Bye.